slowly fades. The train awakens visually. The engine is heavily covered. Nature has taken over, but structure still holds. Gears begin turning. Slow but steady motion. The past is waking. The train moves deeper inside the tunnel. Glowing walls surround it. No turning back now. The train stands in the city, surrounded by ancient light. The truth is revealed. Deep under the ocean, something unnatural exists. A forgotten railway track lies. A research submarine descends carefully. Lights cut through dark water. A lost journey begins.
The sonar detects a massive object. It stretches far beyond limits. Something huge is down there.
The train appears in the darkness. Old steam engine frozen in time, still standing after centuries. The restoration team begins operation. White suits with number markings. Precision and silence. Each diver carries a number. A silent identity in deep water. The mission is personal. A railway symbol appears, still visible after centuries. A forgotten empire of travel. The train is covered by ocean life. Nature has taken control, but structure remains. Restoration lights are installed. Darkness slowly fades. The train awakens visually. Cleaning begins gently. Time is peeled away. The metal breathes again. The train stretches endlessly. Carriages lost in distance. A buried journey revealed. A hidden blueprint is revealed. Secret compartments exist. This is no ordinary train.
The team moves toward the engine. Focus intensifies. The power source is near. The engine is heavily covered. Nature has taken over, but structure still holds.
Careful cleaning begins. Valves slowly reappear. Machine begins to wake. The engine is now visible. Massive and powerful. Frozen in time. Tools are attached carefully. System begins reactivation. The engine listens. Gears shift slightly. After centuries of silence, movement returns. Cleaning spreads across the train. Each carriage was restored step by step. History is returning.
The passenger cabin is explored. Seats still remain intact. Stories remain frozen.
Old luggage is discovered. Time has sealed it perfectly. Secrets inside remain unknown. The engine begins to glow. A strange energy awakens. And the train is not as dead as it seems. The engine glows softly in the dark. Energy pulses through metal. Something is reawakening. The pressure gauge shifts. After centuries of stillness, a signal returns. The train vibrates gently. Sand rises around wheels. Movement begins. Gears begin turning. Slow but steady motion. The past is waking. The railway track extends endlessly. It disappears into darkness. Where does it lead? The wheels align perfectly, as if guided by force. The system is active. A hidden lever begins to glow. Unknown energy activates it. Something is calling.
The train moves slightly forward. Sand releases its grip. A journey restarts.
Bubbles rise from exhaust. Steam-like energy returns. The engine breathes again. The train is now aligned, perfectly on the track, ready for movement. The tunnel glows faintly ahead. Unknown energy surrounds it. Destination is revealed.
A diver signals forward. The path is confirmed. The journey continues.
The train begins forward motion, slow and controlled. History starts moving again.
Particles glow in water. Energy reacts to movement. The ocean responds. The control panel activates fully. Systems come online. The train is awake.
The train reaches the tunnel. Darkness surrounds it. Unknown journey begins. The team watches silently. No one speaks. The mission deepens. Symbols appear on tunnel walls. Ancient and unknown. This is not natural.
The train enters completely. The tunnel seals behind it. And a deeper secret awaits inside.
The train moves deeper inside the tunnel. Glowing walls surround it. No turning back now. The team monitors from distance. Signals remain stable but strange. The system is evolving.
The symbols react instantly. They light up in sequence. The tunnel is alive. The train gains slight speed. Water currents shift around it. Something is guiding it. Stabilizers failing. Reroute power. I'm trying. The tripod won't hold. Brace for impact. Another wave incoming. Unknown coordinates appear. Not on any map. A hidden destination exists. The tunnel expands further. A massive structure is revealed. It was never just a tunnel. A hidden railway station appears. Frozen in time. Waiting for arrival.
Lights begin flickering. After centuries of silence, the station awakens.
The train approaches the station. Everything feels connected. The destination is real.
Did you see the size of that thing?
It wasn't on the sonar. We have to report this immediately.
Get ready to move.
The station control activates. Systems begin syncing. Everything is restarting.
The train stops perfectly.
The platform shifts upward. Ancient machinery activates. The station transforms. A hidden door opens slowly. Light spills out gently. Something is inside. A lost underwater city appears.
The engine reacts again. Energy levels spike. It recognizes the city.
The city begins to glow. Ancient energy returns. It is waking up. The tunnel slowly seals. There is no exit now. Only forward remains.
Final warning appears. System instability detected. Something is awakening.
The train stands in the city, surrounded by ancient light. The truth is revealed.
A core energy source appears, massive and unknown. The city is powered by it.
The team moves forward, carefully and silently. The final discovery begins.
The lost city fully activates. Lights spread across ruins. And the train was only the key.